Looking for an electric trike that gives you more stability than a traditional e-bike, but still has enough power and range for everyday riding? From fat tires and folding frames to high-capacity batteries and large cargo baskets, today's electric trikes offer a lot more than simple transportation. But which one is actually worth buying? Stay with me until the end, because I'll reveal which product is my overall top recommendation. For this comparison, I looked at motor performance, battery capacity, estimated range, stability, tire design, comfort, cargo capacity, portability, ease of use, and overall value. I also considered which type of rider each trike makes the most sense for. Let's get into the countdown. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. MOONCOOL Electric Tricycle. Starting at number 5 is the MOONCOOL Folding Electric Tricycle, a practical option for riders who want a stable three-wheel design with useful carrying capacity. One of its biggest advantages is versatility. The removable 48-volt battery makes charging more convenient, while the folding design can make storage easier when you're dealing with limited garage or apartment space. The trike also features a rear differential, which can help the rear wheels rotate more naturally when turning. Add the suspension fork and relatively large load capacity, and this becomes a useful choice for errands, shopping, or casual neighborhood riding. Pros: folding frame for easier storage, removable battery, rear differential, front suspension, high load capacity, available with multiple gear options. Who should buy it? The MOONCOOL is a good choice for riders who prioritize stability, cargo carrying, and practicality over maximum motor performance. But if you're looking for significantly more battery range and a more performance-oriented setup, the next trike deserves a closer look. Number 4. Qlife Triker Plus Trike. Moving up to number 4 is the Qlife Triker Plus electric trike, which focuses heavily on range and everyday riding performance. Its peak 1200-watt motor gives it plenty of power for typical commuting and recreational riding, while the 624-watt-hour battery is designed to provide substantial riding endurance. The manufacturer claims up to 65 miles of range, although actual range will vary depending on rider weight, terrain, speed, temperature, and how much pedal assist you use. The 20 by 4-inch fat tires are another important feature. They're designed to provide a wider contact patch, which can make the ride feel more stable and comfortable on uneven surfaces. Pros: powerful peak motor output, large 624-watt-hour battery, long claimed range, 20 by 4-inch fat tires, foldable design, good balance of comfort and stability. Who should buy it? This is a strong option for riders who want longer rides, fat tire stability, and a folding design without moving into the most expensive end of the category. Next, we're stepping down slightly in motor output and adding another feature that's extremely useful for practical everyday transportation. Taking the number 3 position is this electric trike for adults with a 960-watt peak motor, and its biggest strength is its combination of practicality and range. The 36-volt, 15-amp-hour battery is paired with a claimed range of up to 50 miles, giving riders plenty of potential for local errands, neighborhood trips, and recreational rides. What really separates this model from some of the others is the large rear basket. If you're buying an electric trike primarily as a practical transportation tool, that cargo space can be more useful than having the most powerful motor. Pros: claimed range of up to 50 miles. Large rear cargo basket, 20 by 4-inch fat tires, folding 3-wheel design, up to 20 miles per hour, practical for errands and everyday transportation. Who should buy it? If you want an electric trike primarily for shopping, errands, carrying cargo, and comfortable local transportation, this model offers a very practical package. But now we're getting into higher-powered options, and our runner-up brings a stronger motor together with a large battery and folding fat tire design. Number 2. KAKIGO Electric Tricycle. At number 2, we have the KAKIGO electric tricycle, a powerful fat tire e-trike designed for riders who want more performance without giving up the stability of 3 wheels. Its peak 1350-watt motor provides a substantial amount of power for an electric trike, while the 48-volt, 15.6 amp-hour battery gives you a healthy reserve for everyday riding. The 20x4-inch fat tires are particularly useful if you'll be riding over less than perfect pavement, packed paths, or other surfaces where a narrow tire may feel less confidence-inspiring. Pros: powerful 1350-watt peak motor, 48-volt, 15.6 amp-hour battery, 20x4-inch fat tires, rear differential, folding frame, up to 20 miles per hour. Who should buy it? The KAKIGO is a great fit for riders who want strong acceleration, fat tire stability, and a more performance-oriented electric trike. It's a very capable package, but there's still one model on this list that stands out for its overall combination of power, battery capacity, comfort, and everyday usability. Taking the number 1 spot is the TST electric bike for adults, and it's my overall top recommendation for the best electric trike in 2026. The reason it takes the top position is the balance between power, battery capacity, comfort, and everyday usability. Its 48-volt, 15 amp-hour battery provides a solid amount of energy for commuting and recreational riding, while the 1500-watt peak motor gives this model the strongest peak motor output among the 5 options in our comparison. That extra power can be useful when accelerating, carrying additional weight, or dealing with inclines. Of course, real-world performance depends heavily on rider weight, terrain, battery charge, riding mode, and local conditions. Pros: strong 1500-watt peak motor, 48-volt, 15 amp-hour battery, dual suspension, 7-speed gearing, 3 working modes, LCD display, fat tire design, good fit for commuting and recreational riding. Who should buy it? The TST is the best choice for riders who want a powerful and versatile electric trike with a comfortable setup for everyday use. Its combination of motor performance, battery capacity, suspension, gearing, and riding modes makes it the most well-rounded option in this particular comparison. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. So those are the top 5 best electric trikes in 2026. If this video helped you choose the right electric trike, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.